Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to connect Ethernet to a computer. This will be an easy tutorial. Now, Ethernet or an Ethernet cable is actually used for the internet, for internet connectivity. Now, I know nowadays a lot of people will use a wireless router, but there's still a huge benefit to using a wired connection, which is the purpose for the Ethernet cable. So what you want to do is go to your computer and you want to find the back of the computer. As you can see, this is a computer tower right here. And on the back of the computer, as you can see, there's many different ports that you can access and look for. I'm going to place the camera down over here because as you can see right over here, there's actually one that's labeled Ethernet, okay? And as you can see, it has a port that almost looks like an oversized telephone wire jack. So it's not a telephone wire port, but it looks similar to it. It's much bigger. It actually looks exactly like this because this is actually an Ethernet cable. So what you want to do is two things with the Ethernet cable. The first thing is get one end. And as you can see, the Ethernet cable is the same on both sides. Get one end and plug it into the computer. As you can see right here, it only goes in one direction, in one way, because there's a little notch on it that is for this little flap right here. So I'm going to plug it in to the Ethernet port and you'll hear it click in place. Just like that, okay? So what we've done now is we've connected the Ethernet cord to the Ethernet port on the back of the computer, okay? Now we have that connection done. We need to send the actual internet signal, the Ethernet signal, to the computer. So we're gonna take the other end of this, we're gonna plug it into either the port in the wall, if you have that kind of setup, or if you're in an office or anything like that, or you're gonna plug it directly into your Wi-Fi modem, your internet modem, okay? So you're going to take this end and you're going to plug it into the identical jack on the back of your modem, okay? And your modem might have multiple jacks to choose from, multiple openings to choose from, but you're going to use your due diligence and choose the one that makes the most sense, okay? You want to choose an output from the modem and you're sending it to an input on the computer. So on the modem, you're plugging this into an output, or on the wall, you're plugging this into an output, okay? And on the computer, you're plugging it into the equivalent input. The signal is going out from the modem or the wall jack through the Ethernet wire and into the computer. And that's it. It's simple. That is how to connect Ethernet to a computer in order to get the internet. Just like I said, it only goes in one orientation. Plug it in until it clicks like that and you're good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.